Well, good morning, everyone. Just wanted to show you our latest purchase here. I'm out in front on the main street of a unit we bought. Okay, here's our new unit. You can see number 1 there. Can't see the number for number 2, but the next door over is our next project. We're gonna bring the inside up to our standards, or do the things we want. So follow along as we go through this process, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so we're just coming through the front door, walking through to the one side. We have a powder room, which right now is set up as a laundry. But what we're going to do is we're going to take this out and we're going to put a shower in here. So as you walk through, we have a closet here. I'm going to change this a little bit. I think we're going to try to put the refrigerator right there, because the kitchen is right here. I'm going to change out the cabinets. They're really pretty beat. I don't know if you can see how worn out they all are. Countertop, everything. And actually we're going to change the configuration. I mean, not change it really. We'll keep this the same. We'll just extend this over a little further. So that's the kitchen, and then this is the living room area. And this is where we walked into the patio in the back. And then as you can see, we have a stair that goes upstairs. We have 2 bedrooms up here. So this is the smallest one in the front of the house. I'll use this as an office. We get the view of our parking lot. And then here, where those bifolds are, we're going to actually open that up, take those walls out, and just put a desk across that. And then here is our bathroom. That'll stay the same. The only plan here is to take out the tile, redo the tile in the back, maybe put in a new vent. Maybe they'll change the lights a little bit. Go down the hall. We have another closet here. This is where we're going to get the laundry installed. And then we have our utility closet. Turn the heat on. Let's get the old furnace. And this is where we'll install probably a new furnace, because we want air conditioning, and that this furnace really can't be modified. So and moving into the master bedroom, a little bit bigger, double closets. And we got outside mountain views from our master bedroom. So I think the only thing we're doing in here is changing the flooring. Maybe we'll do something with the electrical, try to get a permanent fan and light there. I think we're going to change the sliding doors to bifolds. And we're going to do something with the insulation too. I think we're going to, they talk about the insulation being bad here, so I'm going to just put some rigid foam on the ceiling and hang new sheetrock drywall on all the ceilings upstairs, just to help. Anyway, that's the place. So it's February, what is the date today? I think today is the February 3rd, and we have to be done and in here for May 1st. So the next 2 months are going to be a bit of a challenge trying to get everything done. I think this flooring needs to be replaced. I think I'm going to sand and refinish those stairs. You know, amongst all the other things I just mentioned. So I'll be checking back with you, and we'll see how it goes. Take care.